Hey guys, welcome back to Arie Makeup Room, where we learn and grow together. Guys, I am back with another tutorial. Guys, we are starting from the very beginning. I am going to be showing you how to achieve the Arie eyebrow effect, guys, which is just a flawless, clean, simple eyebrow, might I add. Yeah, guys, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to do eyebrows today, and I just feel like it's very much needed, guys. So if you are struggling with your eyebrows, guys, this video is for you. If you are new to the channel, do take some time to subscribe, guys. Make sure you go ahead and like this video and leave some comments down below. All right. Okay, so when approaching the eyebrows, I'm gonna be honest, it can be very stressful at first. For me, as a beginner, when I was a beginner, it was extremely stressful for me, and I watched a lot of tutorials that really was not helpful. So now I'm here just kind of going back, creating the content that I feel like is going to be helpful for girls like me coming into the makeup game. So yeah, like I used to start out using I still do, but I'm gonna say I used to do pomade. Now the issue with doing like pomade as a beginner is it can be a little bit messy, it can smear, and if you don't have the right technique, it's just not gonna work out, especially as a beginner. Now the trick to the eyebrows is 1, patience, 2, knowing what products work for you, 3, taking your time. That goes back to patience, and just really finding a content creator to follow that's going to better suit you, your lifestyle, and things that you can actually achieve. Now, when I first started doing makeup, I would watch all these really big content creators, and I would inspire to be just like them, and I want to do, I want to be like, girl, I just want to be that girl. But they was not really providing me with the information that I really needed as a beginner, even though their videos was beginner friendly. So I'm definitely here with a super beginner friendly video, and we're going to take this eyebrow approach. Actually, instead of using pomade, we're going to be using an eyebrow pencil, which is so much easier. As a beginner, had I known, I would have started using a pencil long ago. Now, the pomade gives a very nice full eyebrow. The pencil gives a nice sharp finish, and it's very light, and you get that opportunity to really like fill in the lines and just kind of create the look, the look that you actually want. And here recently, I've been going more towards the natural eyebrow versus the packed on pomade look that's a lot darker. So I'm going to be showing you guys my technique today. And believe it or not, guys, techniques change all the time. I change my technique literally all the time, because times, in the beauty industry, everything just moves so fast. So yeah, but what I'm going to show you is going to work no matter what. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead and just get into the next part. I'm going to show you guys how to apply my style eyebrow. Okay, so to start the look for the eyebrows, I am going to be using the brow soap from Revolution. I absolutely love this because it flattens and smooths out your hair, and it still gives it a nice natural fluff. So this is super perfect for that. And then I'm going to be using my Spoolie. Here recently, I've been using like the disposables. That way I can just kind of use it and throw it away for sanitation purposes, because I'm in my studio. So when I'm in my studio, I just try to make sure that I'm just less cleaning. So the throwaway Spoolies work perfect. If not, it actually works better than the ones that actually comes like this, the ones that you actually wash, because these are a lot fluffier, they're softer, and the ones that you actually can throw away, they seem to be more firm. So definitely keep that in mind. I absolutely love these. You can literally order these on Amazon. You can get a bulk of them on Amazon, or you can kind of go to your beauty store, Sephora. No, Sephora does not carry these. I want to say maybe Ulta, and they don't either. I don't know. At this point, I'm just saying anything. But yeah, just try to go and find that. And I do actually, before we get started, I do want to say this. It is super helpful when your eyebrows are groomed. Okay, like If you're trying to achieve a look that your eyebrows naturally cannot achieve, please do take some time to like actually go in and groom yourself. Like, cut some of the long hair pieces off, shape your eyebrows the way that you want them, because that's going to really help enhance your look. And when I was a beginner at makeup, I was just going into my eyebrows hoping that I could shape my eyebrows into the desired look when they was not groomed. And y'all, that is so stressful. It's unnecessary stress. Make it a part of your daily routine or your weekly routine to kind of just clean up your eyebrows and just kind of take care of your skin and take care of yourself. Okay, so the very next step is super important. You want to go into your setting powder and get you a nice little brush, and you want to actually set your eyebrows in place. This is going to, one, prevent everything from smearing, but it's going to give you that longevity that you're looking for with your eyebrows. And a secret, it's going to help your pencil glide like butter. So let's go ahead and get into this next step. Start in the inner arch and kind of make that shape that we're looking for, and then we're going to kind of glide that towards the inner nose. And then once I have that in place, you'll see me take my spoolie, and then I'll start to kind of brush everything and get it kind of, you know, the spoolie is to help the look more natural and just brush it up and just kind of help it blend. Once I have that set, I'll go into the top brow, starting at the arch as well, and I'll go and connect the corner here, and then as well start to kind of connect it, moving over towards the inner nose. So from there, you can kind of fill in your eyebrows. Use your spoolie to kind of smooth out any harsh lines and stuff. And then this is where you kind of make the eyebrows look the way that you want them. You fill your eyebrows in how little, and you fill them in however much you want. This is when you start to kind of find your style and kind of just do you moving forward. So guys, let's just go ahead and get to this next part. So as you can see, the eyebrows are finished. And now if you want to take it a step further, you can kind of clean up the eyebrows. Cleaning up your eyebrows just gives you that chance to kind of get any lines in order that just didn't work out. And it does make the look pop. It makes the eyebrows stand out. Now, what I noticed myself doing the most as a beginner is I was over outlining. And what that is I was just putting way too much product, and I was not blending the product in enough. So it gave me that super defined halo eye. And looking back now, I definitely don't like that. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to kind of smooth that out and just kind of shape your eyebrows without it doing too much. So I am going to be using a tiny flat brush. I'm also going to be going in using this nice buffer brush here. This is just like an eyebrow buffer brush. Eyeshadow buffer brush. You can kind of buff out the eyelids really well. Concealer. It just works for everything. And then I'm also going to be using my Juvia's Place concealer for this as well. Now for the eyeshadow look that I'm going to be doing today, I'm not going to need this shade concealer around my entire eyelids. However, I do need a little bit just to kind of shape the eyebrows a little bit, just because I do like my eyebrows to kind of pop. I just don't want it to be looking like, oh, well, yeah, she don't know what she's doing, because we're learning and we're growing. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead into the next clip. guys, so we are done with the eyebrows. We are done with the full look, guys. I'm super excited and ready for the day, guys. It's so easy. It's really not even that bad. Like I said, it just takes a lot of practice, a lot of patience, sturdy hands, and just knowing what to really use, guys. But anyway, guys, that is it for this video, guys. I want to thank you so much for tuning in. Like I always say, please do make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and please do not leave this video without liking it. Like this video. Leave some comments down below, guys, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.